hearing about these escape rooms all over the web, right? And I will say my students love them. So they're kind of fun to even build, what you even want to create and that kind of stuff. So the first thing you're going to do is, I'm sure you all have Gmail, right? Is you have a drive.google.com. Okay, so when you sign into your Gmail, this drive.google.com has all these different things you can build, right? So as you can see, you can build from doc sheets, and we're going to use a lot of these. But the first thing that we're going to use is a Google slide. The Google slide is going to be your room, and you can have more than one room. I've had it where they get out of one room and it moves them to another room. So, but let's just do this simple with one room. All right, so this is going to be my template. So what I want to do is I either can click on those things, or I just want something blank. All right, don't need a theme. And now I need my room. And I mean, you could find all kinds of rooms already. Insert image, search the web. You can even type escape room. Maybe you want them out in the woods, right? I mean, so you could type anything that you want in here, and then just kind of look around to see if you can find something that you're like, oh, that looks kind of cool. So we'll use this for the escape room. But again, and I clicked it, and now insert, you can use any image you want for your background. All right, so have fun with this. Now I just want to make sure this is the entire slide. So there we go. All right, now on your slide, your room, this is my room that the students can see. You can either have them click on something that is already here, or you can even insert more images. So I can go to insert image, search the web. Maybe I want something, and you don't always get it, but I tend to like to put the word transparent, okay, in here, because that way it won't have a background, hopefully. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Ooh, let's try that one there. All right, so let's get a creepy clown. And so I'm just gonna pick something here that I want also to be clickable. All right, so here is my clown, and I can click and drag and resize him and put him wherever I want. All right, so this is just going to be something else that they click on. Again, anything in here you can make clickable. All right, we'll talk about that in the next one. Just right now, you just want to build your room. The other thing that I might add, if you want the countdown timer. You've seen it where it has the countdown. You have 3, 2, 1 to finish, and that's the part that's fun for the students, because they get all anxious, when they hear that countdown going. You can do that by inserting a video, and then you're just going on YouTube looking for a countdown timer, and you can even put the time, right? Probably 5 seconds isn't good enough. Let's give them 60 seconds or whatever. You can even just look up countdown timers. And then you just kind of go through here. You just find a countdown timer. So I selected that one, hit select, and now here is my timer. And I can resize it and put it somewhere on the wall to make it actually look like it's in the actual room. All right. And so that's the first thing, is you just want to build. You want to get your background. All right. Remember, you can make things clickable in the background. We'll do in the next video. Or you can add all the images. You can get like a blank room. I've seen where people just start with a blank empty room, and they put all the images that they want in here. All right. Before we go to the next video, just be sure when you go to the sharing, all right, we need to name this. Let's just call it a clown room. And I click save. You have to have this anyone with the link. All right, I'll mention that a bunch of times over and over and over, but anyone with the link. And now I click done. All right, and so from here now, because I have this shared, okay, I even have this, as a slideshow, I can actually just, in fact, go back here and click my link, and I can just copy this link and see that I can get to it, of course, because it's my link. But you can even go in another browser. That's what I suggest, like Open Edge, so you're not logged into your Google form to then actually see it. All right, so again, this is kind of the basics that you just want to build your room. And then we will be back to see now how do we make things that you can click on with clues.